Lights, camera. All right, this is Tim Trades. NASDAQ futures live. It's October 23rd, Thursday, October 23rd, 6:27 a.m. Gonna look for a trade in a couple of minutes. We're on the NASDAQ, 1 second chart. ApexTraderFunding.com, 50K account. Use code Tim at ApexTraderFunding.com to get the best discount always. Right now we got the volatility index at 23, a little bit up from yesterday, a little bit down from earlier in the week. We're going to be scalping 35 points and with a 35-point stop loss. There's our 2-minute alarm. 2 minutes to market open. Trade at your own risk. There is a 2 to 3 second delay in the live stream. So we have Tradingview here on the left with an indicator I've modified, turned into a strategy. It's going to start looking for a trade at roughly 6:30 a.m. Okay, we're looking for a trade here. Oh, are you serious? I feel like the trading view is frozen. And we're long. Going long. We're in drawdown. We gotta have a turnaround. Got to have a turnaround. Okay, there's a good pump up. We need another pump up. All right, we're in the money. Need the market to continue higher. Still in it. Still in it. Right around our entry point. Now we're negative. Brutal. Come on. It's just sitting right there at our entry point. We needed to take off to the upside. Come on. I'm trying to work on my posture. Got it. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. Man, that was brutal. That was a long trade. It's 6:36. Okay, we're now up 13, almost $1,400 in the account. $1,395. So we need 3 more trades, 2.5 more trades to pass the evaluation. Drawdown has been reset to 2,500. Wonderful. Let's see what this trade looked like on oh my gosh, we came one. I don't remember that. Came 1 point away from losing trades. I think I got him late. Jeez. Very, very dicey move. Very, very much could have lost. This is a 30-second chart. So I normally don't account for pre-market movement, but that's a lot of pre-market movement right there. That's a lot. Pre-market open, I should say. So we got a really good entry here. It's the same pretty much entry as the actual break. It's just way ahead of time. Huge pullback. Would have been better if I would have waited for the 30-second entry point, because then you want to suffer this possible. Because if I would have got in at the top of that, I would have been out. Because it would have got me out. This pullback would have been too big. But I mean, that's a pretty awesome trade right there. Look at that trade. Get in right there. Ride that whole wave up there. It's pretty cool. It's pretty cool. That's $700 with just one contract. Once I start stacking these contracts, where the money, because my payouts should be $2,000 per 50K account with this current strategy. So at least I'm thinking I'll have at least $700 payout every time. Between $7,000 to $2,000 payout every time. It's kind of a big swing difference, but
keep all your game, highs and lows, highs and lows. It's all the same, highs and lows, highs and lows. Keep all your game, highs and lows, highs and lows. It's all the same, highs and lows, highs and lows.
so if that's $700, so one account $700. If I had 20 accounts from Apex, that would have been a $14,000 move. Alrighty then, the potential is there. The potential is there. Yes, it is. All right, I'm going to call it there for today. Like, comment, subscribe, use code TIM at apextraderfunding.com. It looks like the market is continuing higher. Trade at your own risk. Are we at all-time highs? Let's see. I thought I did a yellow line at all-time highs. There. Here's all-time highs right here. Another 100 points to go. Well, that's not all-time highs is way up there at 25,394. These lines came into play. Previous day's resistance, probably. We're still in that channel I marked out, but we're on the upward trend of it. Look at that bar right there. That day. What day was that? Friday, October 10th. Yeah. It's the 1 minute. Looks ugly. Two-minute looks even uglier. You don't even get any swings. There's the swing high. Ooh, double top. Typically, these double tops are signs of a reversal, but if it pops them in times of higher volatility, I typically trade the break of them. Yeah, just like this. See, it's showing the break of these double tops. There's a lot of selling pressure there, but that means if it does pop it really goes. So that's an indicator for that. Alrighty then, that's the way the cookie crumbles. The winner. Market's still pushing up. Glad we were in the right direction. We almost got knocked out by this pullback. A lot of sideways consolidation before it took off to the upside. Okay, I'm gonna kind of reset my chart. Get ready for tomorrow. What is this line here for? Don't know what that line's there for. Line shouldn't be there. We never filled the gap. We never filled the gap. Gaps like to be filled. See the gap right here? Jumped up, gapped up, and what did it do? Boom, it filled the gap and then continued. Find a gap, and most likely there'll be a fill of that gap. Here's a gap with no fill. There's a gap with no fill. Here's a gap. And it filled it. Gap and fill. Here's a gap. Here's your fill. It's not always a gap and fill, but it happens a fair amount. Like this. What is it? What did that gap need to be filled? What? I mean, just other than liquidity, gapped up. Why not just keep going? I think I need to like restart my computer or something because Tradingview is slow. It got me in slow. It actually helped me today having it in slow, but look at this delay. I moved the mouse. Look at that delay. Pay good money for Tradingview. Horrible delay. Horrid. All right, see you guys tomorrow. Tomorrow's Friday. Today's Thursday. Peace. Like, comment, subscribe. Use code TIM at apextraderfunding.com. Peace.